Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate images with Adobe Firefly Text to Image Guide. First, sign into Adobe Firefly with your Adobe account. For the best experience, use a modern browser and a stable internet connection. Once logged in, you'll see Firefly's clean, creative workspace designed for generative AI. Next, go to the Create section, your central hub for all generative tools. Open the dropdown and select the Image Generation tool. This is where your text prompts are transformed into visuals. When writing your prompt, clarity and specificity are key. Start with the main subject, then add details like style, mood, lighting, environment, and medium. You can also include artistic or photographic references like watercolor, cinematic lighting, or macro close-up. Keep prompts concise, short phrases separated by commas work best. After entering your prompt, click Generate. Firefly will create a set of images based on your description. Review the results to see which match your vision. If needed, tweak your prompt to emphasize key elements or fix missing details, then generate again. Iterating is normal and helps refine your final image. That's it! That's it! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.